Do you ever find yourself struggling to keep your tasks and notes organized? Do you ever lose track of your big ideas that came to you while you were in the bathroom or while you're in the kitchen cooking delicious meals? Because I struggle with the same. Sometimes I might be in the bathroom taking a shower, or I might be taking a walk and I have this mind-blowing idea. So what do I do at that point? I take out my phone and I write it down so I can refer back to it later. What has been helping me to keep my task and my ideas in one place so I can refer back to them is a tool called Notion. And don't worry, in this video I'm going to be sharing what Notion is about. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a productivity app called Notion. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a customizable workspace that can adapt to your every need. Imagine it being your digital journal if you love journaling, or being your project planner or your to-do list app. So if you are the type that like to write down your task for the day, let's start by creating an account. Just go to Google and type Notion and sign up using your Google account or your Apple account, and you can choose which is best for you. So for me, I chose personal, and you can select as many as you want. Choose any option that aligns with your needs. When you first sign up, this is what you will see. So Notion will kind of give you how to get started. So it's called Getting Started. You can see the few things you can do with the blank page. So our advice for you to just practice with this. And we have different things you can use to create what you want. To create pages and you can create blocks. Let's start with the blocks. Pages are like individual documents, each dedicated to a specific project, topic, or goal. So within each page, you can add various blocks. The blocks can be text, the images, the to-do list, table. You can even embed videos. I'm going to show you later in the video how to embed your favorite videos so you can refer back to them. So it's a very flexible tool to use. Create a dashboard for yourself, a page. When you click on the plus sign, you get a blank page. The blank page is going to be untitled. You can customize it to fit your specific needs. Also, they have templates, so if you don't want to start from scratch, you can use their pre-made templates and customize them to suit your specific needs. They have project management templates, they have student planners. Choose that and customize it to your needs. For me, I like to start with a blank page. We're going to name our dashboard My Dashboard. After you name your dashboard, you're going to see is write something or press space for. So it's kind of telling you what to do. Yeah, let's stay organized. And you click on this 9 dots. You have the option to customize what you've typed. You can change the color. When you click on the slash or you click Ask AI, when you click on the Ask AI, you have these options that you can use. After writing something, you can ask AI to summarize what you've written. You can ask the AI to translate if it's a different language. So you can even change the tone. So first, I want us to start by creating a page. This page is going to be part of our dashboard. I named my business inventory. Here I'm showing you how to customize the page to make it look more beautiful. So I chose a cover. If you are a visual person, it will help you to stay focused by working on your project. And you can add whatever item to the page to customize it. As you can see, you can turn it to a bulleted list. When you want to go back to the dashboard, you can click on it on the top corner. Let's continue with the building blocks of Notion. We've started with text and we've built a page for our business inventory. Let's create a to-do list. I chose a video idea and research. Your dashboard is where you add everything to build this dashboard that you can always refer to. This is like your second brain. And also, if you're feeling creative, you can organize your text into headings just by clicking the text. So that's about the headings. So let me show you how to create a table. Yes, if you have a data you want to refer back to, you can put it on your dashboard. So you can see how I'm customizing it. If you want to add a new column, click on the plus sign and now you have a table on your dashboard. So this is how you gradually build your dashboard. Another function we have is the bulleted list. Also have another building block. You can use number list. So gradually our dashboard is building up beautifully well. Now we have another feature, which is the toggle list. So for the toggle list, you can add text in the text. You can add more details about the meeting under, and you can close it, and it keeps everything organized and neat. Whenever you want to type something and you want a particular block or you want to create a new database, you can use the slash on your keyboard and it will bring up the different options and you can choose what you want. In this case, we are going for a quote. Write a quote maybe to inspire yourself and motivate yourself. So this tutorial is to show you what you can achieve with Notion. Because to be fair, when you just open Notion, it can be daunting to use. So I'm just making this video to make it easier for you to understand and for you to know that it's not difficult to get started. You just need to know exactly what you'll be doing with Notion. So if you know what you're going to be using it for, then easy. So choose any of the building blocks that I've shown and start building. So now let's move on to creating a call out. As a call out. So now that we are done with the basics of Notion using the building blocks, I want us to move to building with the database. So for the database, we have different options. Depending on why you're using Notion, you can use any database or your page. So it can be a table, it can be a board view, gallery, list view, inline pages. I created a wiki page to keep all the tools that I used while I was taking an AI course, so I can easily refer back to them and update them as I get to use more tools. I'm going to make a video about that. So I'm going to make a video on how to create a content calendar using Notion, and I'm going to make a video about how to compile a list. If you've been using some tools for your business or as a student and you would like to refer back to them, I'm going to create those videos for you guys. The board view, it is good to check the progress of your project. For the gallery view, we use that for pictures. So we have different types of pages. So the full page is going to be on a separate page. For the inline page, you can add things under it and it will show on your dashboard without clicking on it to take you to a different page. So that's the difference between inline page and full page. Now we have our calendar view. You can use it to create your calendar, to keep track of your schedule. And now let me show you how you can add images to make your dashboard more beautiful. So I found this on Pinterest. Smart steps every day. So like we've taken a smart step in learning the basics of Notion today. Let's take it gradually. So another thing you can do is to embed a link. So if there's a website you would like to refer back to, you can embed it into your dashboard. And when you click on it, it will take you directly back to the website. So I'm linking one of my favorite websites. You can also embed a video by adding the link. You can play the video directly on the dashboard without going to the website. I have some shortcuts that can make things faster for you. So the first shortcut is Ctrl B. Is going to make the text bold. So highlight the text and click Ctrl B on your keyboard. For underline, Ctrl U and it will underline it. And then Ctrl I for italics. If you want to duplicate the text, Ctrl D and it will duplicate it for you. So those are the few shortcuts I have for you guys. And also, so you know, you can also use the mobile app and easily add your thoughts, your ideas, your notes, your to-do list right from your phone. So don't forget, you don't always have to use your laptop. You can use your phone. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.